It's 1 o'clock on a rainy Saturday afternoon, and I'm on the upper level of Union Square. And I'm just going to do a slight walk. No real pace to what I'm doing today. Lunchtime is not something I worry about. I'm already done lunch. I just grabbed something small. It's one of the joys of trying to be careful with what you have. But I just wanted to show that it's not really a quiet day despite the rain. And if you look down at the other level, you'll see it's much the same. Thai place is quite busy. I understand the food's actually pretty good in there, so.
It's a good.
And across the way is Nando's, home of the peri peri chicken. I'm not likely to use it.
She's hungry. She's been inside the restaurant.
Not quite the normal view I would do. Because I don't usually worry about showing that. But for some strange reason today, I'm definitely taking the time to do that. It's definitely smaller than the malls I'm used to in Shenzhen. That's not a bad thing. You're talking about a place that has considerably smaller population. 17 million as opposed to 240,000. But no place is really all that quiet. At least not here. And in Shenzhen, it's definitely not that quiet either. And that's the entrance into the train station. The original facade. And as we come down, essentially in the middle of a Costa Coffee, I really don't feel like going back through and wading through all the people. There's not a small number, it's actually quite large. I'm just holding back. Lush is moving in here. They're coming off of Union Street before Christmas. This is the O2 shop. It's actually the only of the major phone carriers that are here in Union Square. The rest are at Bon Accord. You go down this way to the bus station. You go to the other side to the train station. And you've got shopping in between. It's raining outside. It's definitely not beautiful. And I'm definitely not letting my camera get wet. So, I'll stop here at Krispy Kreme. One of those many temptations I've managed to avoid. And I'll see you in the next one.